Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to start a Honda Pilot with the key. First, locate the physical key within your key fob. Insert this key into the ignition cylinder, typically found on the steering column. Turn the key clockwise to the on position, which illuminates your dashboard lights. Then, continue turning the key to the start position and hold it until the engine fully engages. Release the key, and it will spring back to the on position, ready for your drive. Sometimes, your Honda Pilot might not start due to a dead key fob battery, even if the physical key works. If your remote functions aren't responding, it's likely time for a replacement. Most Honda key fobs use a CR2032 coin cell battery, which is easy to swap out. Even with a dead fob, you can often still start your vehicle by inserting the physical key into a specific slot or the ignition itself, bypassing the need for remote communication. If your Honda Pilot has a push-button start and your key fob battery is dead, there's an emergency method. First, extract the physical key from inside your key fob. Use this key to manually unlock the driver's side door. Once inside, look for a small key slot, often near the steering column or in the center console. Insert your physical key into this slot and then press the start button as usual. This allows the car to read the key's transponder directly. Beyond the key itself, ensure your Honda Pilot's main car battery is in good health. A weak car battery can prevent starting, even with a perfectly functioning key. If you encounter persistent starting issues, it's wise to consult your owner's manual or a certified mechanic for diagnosis. Remember to check the description for a link to grab some little trees, black ice, and other great deals. Regular maintenance helps keep your Pilot running smoothly for years to come.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.